Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix AOC Monitor ghosting problem. So when you play games, it will look like it's ghosting and blurry. So what you can do is basically go to the menu using these buttons, as you can see. So the first one is turn off the monitor, second menu button. These are the arrows that will navigate through the menu, and this is exit button. So just use the menu button, and with the arrows we want to go to, let me see, we need to go to the game setting, and as you can see, if we use menu button and enter it, we can use arrows now. And basically what you'll need to do is navigate to the shadow control, as you can see, and click on the menu button again. Make sure to set 60, and if you click on menu button again and exit, you'll see that you will no longer have ghosting problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. Try just playing with the shadow control and boosting from 50 to 60, and it should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.